Welcome. Today at Matthew's Test Kitchen, we're making crawfish and spinach taquitos. Simple recipe, great flavor. So we're gonna take two 12-ounce bags of crawfish, frozen crawfish tails with the juice in them, and put them in our mixing bowl. Then we have 2 boxes of frozen spinach that's been drained, thawed and drained. About a cup of green onions sliced. And then we got about 4 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. And then we're gonna add in our puree from the other video with it's a Chipotle puree in adobo, pureed up with 4 garlic toes. So we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of that. And we're gonna just mix that up. Get it thoroughly incorporated all together. And if you didn't want to use the Chipotle as a seasoning or a flavoring, you could use your favorite Tex-Mex seasoning or taco seasoning. You want to keep it super easy and simple. Just need to break up this spinach so it's nice and evenly distributed. This off to the side, and we'll get ready to start rolling. In a lot of taquito recipes, you use a little flour and water to stick the tortilla together, but I'm gonna keep it gluten-free. At least that's our goal. Oop. The pan's not helping me because it wants to roll. There we go. Maybe if we do that, put it at the edge and then stack them down. That did not work. All right, we have our oil heated up for our crawfish and spinach taquitos. We're gonna see if that cornstarch worked. Put it in, let's see. You can place it in there down. Hold it just for a second so it'll crisp up. We got about a 1/2 inch of oil in there. And that's one reason I try to drain the spinach as well as I could so it doesn't pop as much when you're deep frying it like this. Except for that loose one, but these two look yummy. Can't wait to try them. Maybe instead of using my fingers, I should use the tongs. All right, we're all done frying our crawfish and spinach taquitos. They look great. Can't wait to have a bite of one. See the little bit of spinach in there. It's got the chipotle in there. Really, really good. That corn tortilla with the spinach and the crawfish, just so good together. Oh, I'm making a mess, but a little bit of the smokiness of the chipotle. Wonderful.